Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ChatGPT with OpenAI step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the OpenAI website at www.openai.com. Navigate to the API section of the site. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your OpenAI account. Once logged in, access the API key section in your dashboard. Copy your unique API key. Next, open a text editor or integrated development environment, or IDE, like Visual Studio Code. Create a new project or file to hold your ChatGPT integration code. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Install the OpenAI Python package by typing the command pip install OpenAI in your terminal or command prompt. After installation, import the OpenAI package in your Python file. Use the command import OpenAI to include the package. Set up your API key in the code. You can do this with the line OpenAI.API_key equals your _API_key_ here, replacing your _API_key_ here with your actual API key. Next, create a function to interact with ChatGPT. Define the function using def_chat_with_GPT prompt. Within the function, call the OpenAI API using OpenAI.chatCompletion.create. Pass the necessary parameters such as model and messages. For example, use model equals GPT 3.5 Turbo and structure the messages accordingly. Make sure to pass the user input as a message in the format, role, user, content, prompt. Capture the response from the API. Extract the assistant's reply from the response object. Return or print the assistant's message within the function. Now, test the function by calling it with a sample prompt. Print the output to see the response from ChatGPT. Make adjustments to the code as necessary based on your testing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.